Okay, so here's another video of this this Arcoaire unit running. This guy's sound like I think I have to go up the scroll. Quiet. It's not working that well. Yeah, no. Problem is I can't tell if the bus is running because it's so ridiculously quiet. But it's from it's from 2019. Or maybe from the 19th week of 2009, or... Well, let's see. It's only 14 days, so it's probably from 2019. It's like a 5-ton or something like that. I can't see it. Oh, 3-ton. There we go. But yeah. So I'm gonna make a quick video of this unit. I got a video of it running last month. So I just thought I'd get another video of it. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.